Hello friends, my name is Siddesh Chaudhary and I am from class 9th Gold. Today I am here to tell you some information about Odisha. For that we have to go to Odisha, and I hope you will enjoy the Odisha trip. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Yash Rajesh Maisne from class 9 Gold. Today I will tell you about weather and climate of Odisha, its dance form and clothes in Odisha. Weather and climate in Odisha. The state has tropical climate characterized by high temperature, high humidity, medium to high rainfall, and short and mid winter. As per the Odisha come under subhumid. Clothes in Odisha. Traditionally, dhoti and kurta is the main dress for men. For where sari is the substaple cloth for women in the Odisha. Nowadays, modern Western dress like T-shirt, jeans, pant for formal shirt and pants are used by the men, where the women wear the designer dress. Dance in Odisha. Odisha has Odissi dance form which they perform in the Hindu temple in Odisha.
The towering Lingaraj temple in Bhubaneswar represents the Odishan temple structure. The present temple was built by Latatendu Kesari in the 11th century AD. It is 55 meters, means 180 feet high. Inside it, expensive presents are around 150 subsidiary shrines. The major crops are rice, pulse, oil, seed, jute, coconut and turmeric. The crops like tea, cotton, groundnut and rubber are the great economic importance in other part. Odisha contribute one-tenth of total rice produce in the country. Apart from food, grain, various cash crops are also cultivated in the state. Water resources are a source of usually fresh water that are useful or potentially useful to society. For instance, for agriculture industrial use. Example include groundwater, river and lake. Odisha contain large amount of water resource. ओडिसाचा प्रसिद्ध उत्सव म्हणजे दुर्गा पूजा आहे. त्याला दुर्गोत्सव पण म्हणतात.
Everything, fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to